Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to talk about everything that I've recently used up. My trash, my garbage, what I loved, what I'm going to repurchase, what I didn't like, different recommendations. So let's get into it. All right, so we've got a lot of hair care, skincare, and a little bit of body care to cover today. So first, starting with this purple shampoo. This is Not Your Mother's Blonde Moment Purple Treatment Shampoo. I got this from Target. I liked it. I like what I'm currently using, which I will link down below, what I'm currently using for purple shampoo and conditioner better. This just, I felt like dried out my hair a little bit. I know purple shampoos can tend to dry out hair, so I felt like this one did. I didn't have a problem with it. I just preferred the one that I'm currently using a lot more, and I didn't love the smell of this. I don't know. I'm dealing with allergies, so my nose is super congested right now, but I felt like it has like a weird scent to it, so I didn't love this. But like I said, I'll list the ones that I did love below. Another shampoo, me and Scott both use this regularly. We go through probably one a month. This is specifically this scent combination thing is the best. So this is the Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, but it's the coconut plus hydration, or hand hydration. This stuff is really nice. It does not leave my hair feeling dry like most dandruff shampoos do. This one's actually very hydrating, but still gets rid of dandruff buildup. I do tend to get it just in this scalp area and up towards the top of my head every so often, so I do use this probably every other shower that I'm washing my hair, and I just find it helps it keep it at bay, and I love this, and Scott does too. So if you suffer from stuff like that, give this a go. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Like I said, I've used tons of the different like scents, but the coconut hydration one is the best. We got two dry shampoos. This first one is IGK Direct Flight. I used to swear by IGK dry shampoos. It was all I used, and before I left Sephora, I purchased like a ton because I didn't want to be without it. I like Direct Flight, First Class. Those are my two favorites. This one's kind of like that middle ground. First Class is like super detoxifying, oil reducing, whatever. This one gives you kind of volume plus, absorbs some of the product. It's been a while since I've used this. First of all, I love the scent of this. It's very like masculine sort of smelling. I don't know, I feel like it really hides when I have like nasty oily hair and need to shower. I feel like this helps. To be honest with you, it was still good, but I've tried so many now that I'm kind of like, And I was looking at reviews on Sephora and they have terrible reviews, and I was really surprised because like I said, this used to be my holy grail, my all-time favorite, because, oh, it seems like I have a little bit left. It doesn't leave a white cast. So that's something I really liked. This one, on the other note, is completely a white cast dry shampoo, and this is the first time I had tried this, was using this one. This is the Moroccan Oil Dry Shampoo Light Tone specifically. So if you have bleached hair, you have really light hair, and you are like, you typically get it bleached, but it's been a while, you'll probably really like this because it kind of hides the roots a bit. I don't really use much Moroccan oil product, and when I was linking this, the reviews on this are almost a 5, and I was like, holy crap, I had no idea that many people loved Moroccan oil. The smell is very like Moroccan oil, and I don't love that smell, to be honest with you, but it's got a purple tint to it, which is again great for blonde hair. So I loved the actual functioning of this product. The smell was a little but I could get past it. But the fact that it's like purple is kind of toning while it puts product into your hair, and it's light. It's actually really, really good product. So I do plan on repurchasing this. I have two open right now. I have the Amika and the Living Proof, so it's gonna be a little while before I do purchase this, but this is one that I will keep in my rotation. I need to let my dog in because she thinks she needs in. Come on in, Miss Winnie. Winnie cannot feel like she's left out by any means. Come here. Did you feel left out? Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. Let's get into body care next. I only have two body care products. So the first one is the Tan Luxe Body, The Body Illuminating Self Tan Drops. I loved this stuff again for so many years. This is a small size. I have the larger size. I was using this for travel. I just started using the Isle of Paradise. and I think I like them just the same. The reason I love these is it's like doesn't transfer when you put it on. It's organic, vegan, natural, paraben, whatever. It's like a cleaner brand, but so is Tan Luxe, or not Tan Luxe, Isle of Paradise. So I'm like, it's like a third of the price, but it's still really, really good. I enjoy this. I use the face drops at night. I have not used Isle of Paradise on my face yet, but I use the face drops on my face at night. But I did really love this product, but if you're looking for something that does the same thing but is much more affordable, try the Isle of Paradise. I will link that down below as well. Loving Tan is like my favorite like staple. I want to get like tan like I've been in Mexico for a week tan. Like this is what I go for. So this is just the 2 Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. You can get this anywhere. Amazon, Ulta, their website. I just get the dark and I apply it with a mitt. If you're interested in my like self-care routine, I filmed it in a vlog not too long ago. I'll link it down below for you guys. It's towards the end, but I really do love this stuff. I just think tried and true. It doesn't streak, it doesn't patch off weird. It looks very, very natural. So if you see me tan, odds are this is it, because I don't really tan in the sun much. Let's get into skincare. I have a ton. Hi, Miss Winnie. You know you don't want to be in here anymore? You're crazy. Okay, so I see it all the time and time again. You guys are always asking like what mascara I'm wearing, whatnot. It doesn't matter the mascara, you guys, it matters the serum. I finally used one of these up. I purchased this in February, I wanna say. It's finally used up. I even remove the plastic bit in there so I can get every last drop of this. This is Grande Lash Enhancing Serum. It is the best. It is worth every penny. I swear to you, it's freaking amazing. Once you get to your like desired length, you just need to put it on maybe like twice a week to keep it maintained. But this stuff is freaking phenomenal. I actually like lost some hairs up here because when we were camping I was using makeup remover wipes and I think it's not super gentle, so I think it removed some of my eyelashes. So this I've been putting on specifically right here to help kind of like make it grow a little bit better. But this stuff, if you're not using this, I'm not kidding you, it's seriously a game changer. I know it's pricey, I really do, but it's that one thing that I don't care. I already have a backup. I purchased it from the Sephora VIP sale. It's that good. So wherever you purchase it, just make sure that it's like from the Grande Lash like place. Sometimes you'll see it cheaper, but it's because it's not actually real. So this stuff is worth every single penny, every single word of hype. It is by far like the best thing for your lashes ever. I have got a sunscreen. I've been talking to you guys about this for a while now, and I just purchased another one. Derm Store was doing 20% off, so I picked up another one, but this is, you can get this on Amazon as well. This is the specifically tinted Elta MD skincare. So 46, this is a what do I want? Mineral, like physical sunscreen. Chemical sunscreens are not good for me in my dark spots. They actually make it worse because there's something in chemicals, I don't know the full science behind it. There's something in chemical sunscreens that actually heats up the sun or your face when it disperses the rays that are coming at your face. So heating up your face, essentially that's what makes dark spots worse, which is why I can't do hot yoga anymore or anything like that, because I suffer from melasma. It can get really bad in between my eyebrows, but this stuff has been amazing. I wear this first thing in the morning when I'm going to the gym. I wear this if I'm not wearing any makeup for a walk. I put like extra on. I don't put a moisturizer on underneath this because it is very, very hydrating. I'll put a serum on and stuff like that, like a vitamin C serum, but I really love this. I got this as a sample from my dermatologist and it's awesome. So I highly recommend it if you're looking for a good sunscreen. It's not like insanely tinted, but it's enough to just kind of like blur everything out. It's glowy, but not glowy. It's amazing. So if you don't have a good facial sunscreen, give that a go. Because I was talking about melasma and dark spots, I've been using this vitamin C and I'm on my second bottle and I'm almost out of it as well. It's good. It's really freaking good. So this is the Lancome 15% vitamin C correcting serum. I have so many different vitamin C serums and I've tried so many different ones. And it's really hard to kind of tell what's working unless you're like kind of keeping some things very like steady, and for me, I'm always changing it up. I'm always trying new things, always trying to figure out what's the next best. But I've been using this one consistently for a while with retinol. I've re-added retinol into my routine, so that's another thing I'm like, I don't know which one it's doing, but this has been really good. Specifically on a spot that I get over here, this will like fade it, and then obviously anytime I'm in the sun, it just pops back out, but it keeps it at bay, and it's really nice. And vitamin C doesn't just target darkness, it also just brightens the whole complexion in general. It lightens it, like just makes it overall luminous, and then it tightens your skin. So if anything like that, I feel like vitamin C is a very good serum to add to your skin. Just overall evenness, not specific on just dark, like a dark sunspot, like just overall even texture of your skin, brightening and lightening, and then tightening. They call it the BLT. So I loved this. I'm still, like I said, using one. And I would repurchase this again. Right now, next in line, I'm gonna be using the Summer Friday CC serum. But this stuff was freaking potent, like good. And I love that it's in a small container. So if you're looking for a new vitamin C, seriously give that a go. Okay, I have a million of these mini hydrating serums from Drunk Elephant. I just have so many of these. They gave them away when I worked for Sephora, and I have probably 20 more of these. It's the same as what's in the full-size container, and I love the full-size container as well. This is awesome, and to be honest with you, I use it with my retinol that I'm about to talk to you about, but what I found out about this is it's not just, it also has vitamin C in it as well. So it illuminates, hydrates, everything. It's good. So like I said, they sell it in full size, obviously, but it's got ceramidin in it, which is ceramidin is my favorite ingredient in life if you have dry skin. But these, like this serum, actually, I noticed a difference with plumpness, with overall brightness, hydration, all of that good stuff. But specifically, I use it at night with my retinol. So this is the Passione, whatever, retinol cream from Drunk Elephant. Again, a baby size. I've graduated to the big size. That's what I'm currently using now. The packaging has changed, which thank God, because this metal tin is awful, because especially with the full-size one, once you squeeze it, it just kind of keeps coming out. So they've changed their packaging, which I'm very happy about that. It doesn't matter about the packaging. The product is phenomenal. When you're looking for a retinol, you want it to be like a dark yellow. That's going to be highest potency. So I've kind of stopped mixing it as much with my hydrating serum because I want it to be more concentrated. That kind of dilutes it and kind of like gets your skin up to the point of being able to deal with retinol, because retinol is very harsh, and I notice when I'm using it like too many nights in a row, I pretty much use it like every other night, I will get a little bit of flaky peeliness, nothing crazy because I built up my tolerance to this. When I first started using this, like I peeled like crazy, it was bad. But don't let that scare you, because the results of this is amazing. It fades dark spots, helps with wrinkles, fine lines, and the biggest thing I notice is my blackheads on my nose. When I'm consistently using this, my blackheads on my nose are non-existent. It's great. So if you suffer from blackheads, clogged pores, basically retinol just encourages cell turnover, so it works inside to out, pushes new skin out, and sloughs off your old skin. So it's just constantly giving you a baby beautiful face. Ceramidin, the Dr. Dart Ceramidin cream. I've mentioned this a million times. I'm literally so sad this is over, but to be honest with you, it's a winter cream for me. So, I mean, if you have insanely dry skin, you'd probably love this all year round. It's my favorite facial hydrating cream. It beats out everything else that I've ever tried. I just feel like it's a nonsense fuss. It's literally just not like I'm a this, and this. I'm literally just here to hydrate your skin in the best thick butter possible. Like, it's so good. I love their sheet masks. I love their toner, but specifically this stuff is amazing. If you have dry skin, like really give this a go. I'm not kidding. I will definitely repurchase this in the winter again. Again, speaking of like winter and something that was so insanely hydrating, the herbivore oils, I love them all. Like I love Phoenix, Blue Tansy, like I love the herbivore oils. I have normal to oily skin, more normal now that I've had a baby and gone through all those hormonal changes. But this stuff, this was the Emerald Cannabis Sativa Hemp Deep Moisture Glow Oil. oops, almost threw it at myself, did. This stuff was like, you put it on your face at night. I only use it at night because it was very thick and super glowy and super hydrating because I don't have super dry skin, but you probably could use it mixed in with your foundation or during the day if you have dry skin. This stuff I put it on my skin it was my very last step. I put on my serums, my essence, my serums, my moisturizers, and then I would put this on and it would lock everything in and it would still be on my skin when I woke up in the morning. It was that hydrating. So this stuff was really, really freaking good. It's super thin. It didn't have much of a scent. I believe that this is targeted towards like all the things moisturizer is basically fine lines, wrinkles, all that good stuff. I just feel like I want to say that they also gear it towards like acne prone skin, but I didn't have any issues with that, but I still loved that oil. So I will be repurchasing that in the evening. I have a ton of facial oils still, but if you're looking for a good facial oil, that is one that I highly recommend. This next product is a product that I've used on and off for probably 4 years now. I tried this when my skin was at its worst. I tried all of Sunday Riley products when my skin was at my skin was at its worst. And this is the one product that I feel like changed the game. I don't use this during the day. I only use this at night. I know you can use it during the day, but for me, so this is the Good Genes Retinol Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment, not retinol, sorry. I noticed this for congestion, clogged pores in my cheeks, my face, my chin, all of that, which like weren't technically like blackheads, like whiteheads, like they weren't gonna be pimples, but they were just uneven texture within my skin. This changed it for me. This, I don't notice a huge difference in age spots, to be honest with you, but I notice it more for just like making sure my pores are cleared out. And I was using this, like I said, I started using this when I was in Japan and I absolutely fell in love with it. I was also using Sunday Riley's Luna, which I love as well. That's a retinol oil. That's why I accidentally said retinol. You can use these together. But this is like, I interchange it. So I do this and then this one night. Or this one night, this one night, this one night, this one night, da 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 da. I do a lactic acid AHA, BHA serum, and then I'll do a retinol every other night. Those are kind of the serums that I stick with, and then vitamin C during the day with some hydration or niacinamides or whatever it is. So that is everything. That is everything I've used up. My empties, my trash, what I would repurchase, what I wouldn't. I had some really good stuff in here and some of my favorite skincare products. So if you're looking for something new, honestly, I think all the products that I mentioned skincare wise are good ones. So give them a go. And if one thing that you can get from this video, try that sunscreen. I'm not kidding you. Like, I hated facial sunscreens, but that one is really good, and the lash serum. So that is everything for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.